All right. July 16th, 2018. Franken truck, getting ready to put a new set of injectors. Got just stock original Motorcraft injectors for the truck. Ended up, after we got it back on the road, ended up with a little bit of stumbling at the stoplight every once in a while. We put coil packs in it, plugs. The engine's only got 50,000 miles on it. So, and it had sat for a long time. And when I had the injectors out, they had a lot of varnish on them. So we got a set from Jegs. They were the best price around. So getting ready to stick a set of injectors in. Not too bad of a job on this truck. Better than the original F-150 that it came out of. At least the engine's all accessible. So we're going to go ahead and pull them out, and once we get them out, we can compare the new and the old. They call for gold injectors, but the replacement injectors ended up being pink tops. So we will continue on, and we'll shoot some more footage of this once we get the fuel rail off and get the injectors out.